Hello, this is Wattsan Technical. In this video, we will show you how to check and, if necessary, to replace the supply unit on your machine. Only useful and relevant information on our channel, suitable for both professionals and those who are just getting to know our equipment. Subscribe to our channel and click like. Switch on the machine. The display on the machine does not light up. Check the electronics compartment of the machine. We see that one of the power supply units does not have a green light on. Let us start replacing the power supply unit. Unscrew the wires. Before removing the wires, take a photo of the power supply unit so that you have a clear example when replacing it. Dismantle the defective power supply unit. Take a new power supply unit. On the left, there are the terminals for the 220-volt power supply. Next are the terminals for 24-volt and 5-volt out voltage. Connect wires to the new supply unit. Switch on the machine and make sure that the display light's on. Fit the new power supply unit in its proper location. The machine works. We look forward to seeing you on our channel again. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and our engineers will be glad to answer them. We care about our customers and are always happy to help you. See you soon!